What is the SSH authorized keys file in Linux? Imagine you want to connect to your Linux server without typing a password every time. How does your system know it's really you? That's where the SSH authorized keys file comes into play. The authorized keys file is a simple text file stored in your home directory inside a hidden folder called SSH. Its full path is usually /username/SSH/authorized keys. This file holds a list of public keys that are allowed to access your account remotely. Each line in the file is a different public key, which is a long string of characters. When you try to connect to your Linux system using SSH, the server checks this file to see if your public key is listed there. If it finds a match, it challenges your client to prove you have the matching private key. If you do, the server grants access without asking for a password. This process is called key-based authentication, and it makes remote access both secure and convenient. The entries in the authorized keys file start with the key type, like SSHRSA or SSH-ED25519. Then comes the encoded public key data, which is a long string of characters. Sometimes there's a comment at the end to identify the key, like your email or device name. Administrators can add options to each key to control how it can be used. For example, they can restrict a key to only run certain commands or limit access to specific IP addresses. This helps keep the system secure by giving fine-tuned control over who can do what. This file is essential for passwordless login, especially for system administrators, developers, or automated scripts. It allows secure, automatic access to servers without sharing passwords, which can be risky. It is widely used across Linux distributions and other Unix-like systems. In Windows systems that support OpenSSH, a similar authorized keys file is used. This makes it easier to manage SSH access across different operating systems. Managing the authorized keys file carefully is very important. If someone adds a malicious key, they could gain unauthorized access. So, always set proper permissions on the file and monitor changes regularly. Using centralized key management tools can also help keep things organized and secure. In summary, the SSH authorized keys file in Linux is a simple but powerful way to control who can connect to your system remotely. It stores public keys that authenticate users without passwords, making remote access safer and easier to manage across various Linux distributions and other systems.